What's up, guys? Will H back with another video. So today we're going to be taking a look at the Elgato Keylight Air. So you can pick this up on Amazon.com. The price is going to be about 115, 20 bucks, I believe I saw on there. So this is the packaging that it comes in. Keylight Air, illuminate on command, some of the features and details. Wi-Fi enabled, controlled via app, 1400 lumens, bright and dimmable, full spectrum, warm to cold white, space saving, flat profile, freestanding with a weighted base. So those are some of the features and details. Let's flip this box over and check out. All right, guys, so here's the back of the packaging here. So some more specs. You guys can see how this guy has it laid out here. Look like he's doing some gaming. He's got his camera there, and he's got two of these there. So some more of the specs here. It says effortless control. Use the Control Center app to power up, tweak brightness, fine-tune color temperatures, and more. It says professional studio lighting, bright 1400 lumens output, versatile 2900 to 7000K color range, and you're going to get 80 industrial LEDs. So this is also ultra soft and balanced edge LED panel with multi-layer diffusion technology, guarantees seamless light transmission and comfort for hours. I guess you guys are wondering why I'm pointing this out. I wear glasses and I'm far away from it, so I'm kind of trying to concentrate on what I'm reading here. So fully adjustable. It's going to have the telescopic pole and ball head. It'll let you set the perfect height and beam angle. And then also you're going to get streamlined design. Freestanding base and integrated cable management system keeps your setup flexible and tidy. And then we got some more specs here right here. Now this is going to work with your Mac, Windows. This is Wi-Fi certified. Works with your Stream Deck as well. And you can download the app from Google Play Store and the Apple App Store as well. So let's go ahead and get this box out and check out what's in it. Okay, guys, so this is everything that was in the box. So you're going to get a wide assortment of wall plugs here for different regions, different places around the world. Depends on where you are. We use this type here where I am, United States. But if you are somewhere else and you need a different plug, then it's there. So simply just place this in there, give it a twist, and it's in there. If you need to take it out, there's a little button right here. Press that button, easily comes out if you're traveling somewhere else. And here it is. So the cord looks to be maybe 5 or 6 feet long. You're also going to have your Keylight Air. Here it is here. You see your multi-layer diffuser there. You're going to have your reset button. This is where your power goes in. This is your ball head. This can be removed. This is going to connect it to your telescopic arm and base. Got your power button there as well. You're going to have your telescopic arm, which stretched out, I'm going to say about 3 feet long, 3.5, 4. It's not 4 feet. It's got to be at least 3. You got your screw. Now this connects the base to the telescopic arm, and then this part connects the arm. It's going to go like that. You loosen this screw up, put that in there, and then this connects to that ball right there. So very easy. Here's the base. Rubberized on the bottom of it. Has a nice weight to it. Like I said, this screw will come through right here, screw into the bottom of this. So very easy to assemble this. And then we have a little pamphlet here. Warranty stuff here, safety and warranty stuff in there. This is your quick start guide right here. I want to point out it shows you all the steps to putting this together. So easy to do. On this piece here, you do have a groove in here. Hopefully my light will pick it up. That's for your cable management. You can tuck your power cable in there and be tucked out of the way. But here it is. Tells you everything you need to know, and then tells you where to go and download the app and the Elgato Control Center app, and then it walks you through different things that you need to know about the app. You can also reset the light as well. And that is everything in the box, guys. So I'm going to get this thing put together, download the app, and then we'll take a look at the light itself. So we're back in. I do have the app downloaded, and this is what it looks like here. So when you open it up, it's going to be a very simple looking app. So you can turn the power on and off right here with this toggle right there. You're going to have your warm and cool temperature control here, where you can set it any place you want. As you guys see, this goes all the way up to 2900 kelvins, and then you're going to have your brightness switch here, 100% right there. So you can set it in between there. And then up here, as you guys see, you can add a new device, and you do have to have a Wi-Fi connection here. And then you can link accessory controls. All accessory controls move in sync. So that means that if you got more than one device, then they'll work as one as you're controlling it. You can hide a device right here, and you can, if you don't want it seen within this app, then you can hide it. So you got this right here as well. So you can name it, rename it if you want. This is out of the box. You got your power behavior here, restore last setting or restore to default. Identify, so when you hit this, if you got more than one light or accessory there, it's going to make it flash. The light will flash. That way you can determine which one it is you're looking for. You can also hide the accessory if you don't want it within your listing. And then here's some other specs here, your firmware update, available, stuff like that. So it looks like I do have an update there. So we'll update it. And that's pretty much the app. So let's go ahead and try this out on the light. Okay, guys, so I have the Elgato Key Light Air on my desk here. And as you guys see, my desk is not very big, and it fits in that corner very well. I definitely have outgrown this desk and need a bigger workspace, but here it is, right in the corner. No issue sitting there. Doesn't take up a lot of space. Now the light, remember, you can adjust this like you want. I left it loose just to demonstrate that. This cable will go into this channel on the back of it there for cable management. You can adjust this up and down as well, and it's going to be pretty good like it is right here. So perfect for me if I want to use my Osmo camera for FaceTiming or meetings or live streaming or whatever. It's going to be give me a perfect angle for its lighting to light up my face right there, and fits very well on my little small desk here as well. So let's go ahead and take a look at the app. So here's the app, and like I showed you guys earlier, very simple. So now it's on cool. Let's go ahead and bring it over to the warmer temperature. As you guys see, there it is. Now this is coming all the way up to 2700 lumens. 2900 lumens, I'm sorry, right there. You bring it back down. So here's the brightness control. Gets very bright, as you guys see. So the controls work great. Now if you go in here and I tell you about the identify accessory, if you got more than one light, this is what's going to happen here. If you press this, that way you can, if you have more than one and you're trying to see, which light is which, then that's what you're going to get there. But the app and everything works great on here. Definitely going to buy another one once I get a larger workspace, and I have one over here and one here, and that's going to be all I need for my video and workstation here. So the Elgato Key Light Air, I'll definitely leave a link in the description if you guys want to pick it up. Will H, I'm out.